Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to create an Instagram account on an Android device, even if you don't have a Facebook account. So let's get started. Step 1. Download the Instagram app. The first step is to download the Instagram app from the Google Play Store. Once the app has been installed, open it. Step 2. Tap Create New Account from the Instagram login page. Tap Create New Account. You'll be prompted to enter your email address or mobile number. Step 3. Enter your email address or mobile number. Enter your email address or mobile number, then tap Next. If you sign up using email, make sure that you enter your email address correctly and choose an email address that only you can access. Step 4. Enter the confirmation code. Instagram will send you a confirmation code to your email address or mobile number. Enter the code in the space provided, then tap Next. Step 5. Create a password. Create a password for your Instagram account. Then tap Next. Step 6. Enter your birthday. Enter your birthday, then tap Next. This information is required to create an Instagram account. Step 7. Add your name. Add your name to your Instagram account, then tap Next. Step 8. Create a username. Create a username for your Instagram account, then tap Next. Your username should be unique and easy to remember. Step 9. Read Instagram's terms and policies. Read Instagram's terms and policies, then tap I agree if you agree to the terms. This will create your Instagram account. And that's it. Creating an Instagram account on an Android device without a Facebook account is simple and easy. We hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.